Today's new topic is thermometer. So there are two types of thermometer. First one is laboratory thermometer. And second one is clinical thermometer. You can see here the picture of laboratory thermometer. It starts with -10 till 110. You can see here in this picture. So in this picture you can see it starts with -10 till 110. Why? Why? Because laboratory thermometer is used in laboratory, and in laboratory we can do different kind of practical work or different kind of reactions are there. So these all reactions are happened in different temperature. Some reactions need temperature below 0 degree centigrade and some need above 100 degree centigrade. So what is the meaning of that? In chemical reaction there is no specific temperature. Some reactions contain very high temperature, some reactions happen with very low temperature. So in a lab there is no specific condition for reactions. That's why we use laboratory thermometer, and that's why there is a temperature from -10 to 110 degree centigrade. Understand? Your second thermometer is clinical thermometer. You can see again this picture. Clinical thermometer is there, and you can easily understand it starts with 35 till 42. What is the meaning of that? It means it starts with 35 degree centigrade to 42 degree centigrade. Also you can find, so class, why they start with 35 and end with 42? It's very important because our human body temperature is 37 degree centigrade. It's very good question. It's very important. Our body temperature is 37 degree centigrade. So we measure our body temperature by this clinical thermometer. 37 is our normal body temperature and end with 42 degree centigrade. Our body temperature is not go beyond the 42. This is a picture of clinical thermometer. You can easily understand. So you can see there is a red mark. There is a red mark in 37 degree centigrade. You can see easily there is a red mark in 37 degree centigrade. And one more thing which is very important, in Fahrenheit 37 degree centigrade means 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. So it's very important for you also. In Fahrenheit it starts with 95 degree Fahrenheit to 110 degree Fahrenheit. So normally you hear so many times you have a fever of 102 degree. That is 102 degree means 102 degree Fahrenheit. It is not in Celsius, it is in Fahrenheit. Healthy human body temperature is 37 degree centigrade. The meaning of that is 98.6 degree Fahrenheit.